Everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you today how to properly uninstall and reinstall your Maximo to work with the latest version of Lift. So the first thing we need to do is, of course, uninstall Maximo. So there's two ways you can do this. Press and hold until you get into pop-up, hit uninstall. Or go to your settings. Go to apps, find Maximo, hit force stop, storage, clear cache, clear data. Now we're going to go back one screen and hit uninstall. Now that we have uninstalled Maximo, we need to download the latest version from our website. Make sure you go to maximoapp.com. Do not use the Google Play Store version. Once you are on here, if you are a new user, click Start Trial, and then after you finish signing up, you'll get sent to the download link. If you're a returning user, click on the menu. Go to login, enter your login details, and then click on, once you're on the dashboard here, go to menu, download, find the most recent stable version or the most recent beta version. Beta versions typically have fixes that we are doing as users are reporting them. Stable versions are the ones that have no crash reports to them. So I will go ahead and do the stable version. And you always want to make sure that whenever you install any new Maximo, that you uninstall the previous versions first. This helps avoid any conflicts of apps, settings, stored settings, things of that nature. We change a lot sometimes in some of these updates, and so whenever you uninstall it, you make sure that you are only getting that update. You're not getting any crossover, no mix, or anything like that. I'll give this a minute to install. And just keep in mind, if you have any issues with either a beta version or a stable version, make sure you email us so we can get a fix in there for that right away. As you see, sometimes on our beta versions, we release those sometimes 2-3 times a day. We definitely release them quite a bit as bug reports come in and we fix them. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to hit open and install. And now that it's installed, I can go and log into my account. Now we have changed the way the login works. So, why didn't I put my password in there? Once you are logged into the system, of course, you'll get the notification manager set up. You can either enable or skip this. You'll get the information of what our app is doing, how to update, where to contact us if you're having technical issues, etc. So click continue. This is a new page. You will see this page anytime the app does not have the correct permissions. Sometimes your phone will tell our app that it doesn't have permission and kick you to the screen. So what you're going to want to do is click on Enable Services. Of course, allow Maximo all the permissions. Now it's telling me that it needs accessibility. So I'm going to hit I'm ready. It even gives you little instructions there. So I got to tap on Installed Services. Tap Maximo. Turn it on. It should take me back to Maximo. If it doesn't, just hit your back button a couple times and it'll take you back there. Overlay permissions. This is a new required permission. This is so that we can show you stuff on your screen. So go ahead and hit I'm ready. Allow the permission. And then go back. Now it's telling me setup is complete. I can use the next button. The next button will appear when all the permissions have been granted. So we're going to hit next. This is very new in the upcoming versions. If you uninstall Maximo and reinstall Maximo from this point forward, it will create a backup file for your settings. So this way you don't have to redo your settings every time you install Maximo. So we're going to click Yes, Restore, because I don't want to redo my settings. And of course you still got the attention, you still got the Rate Maximo. Even though we're not using the Google Play Store version, ratings do help us on the Google Play Store still. So we're going to click Continue and then agree to our terms of service. And let's close that out before you see where I live. So that is how you install Maximo. Just make sure that you download the latest version from our website, maximoapp.com. I will put the link down below as well. And if you have any issues, please email support@middletontech.com and we will be glad to assist you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if you need any other features or anything like that, shoot us an email as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.